Hey everyone, Pierce Fraga here with Tide Property Management, and today I'm going to be covering what types of services do property management companies offer. This is going to be part one of a two-part series, so make sure you tune into our second video. When it comes to making sure your property is at market rent, we're going to ensure that we do a comparative market analysis to compare your home with other homes that are either currently on the market or have recently rented in the area. Comparing bedroom-bathroom counts, certain finishes, square footage, amenities, all these play a factor in determining rental price. Yeah, for all of our rental owners, everyone will have a portal that they log into. With our platform, they're able to see all the statements, rent roll financials, any files that we share. All this is used for your benefit so that you can understand how well your rental property is performing. So when it comes to tenant satisfaction, we want to make sure that the property is being taken care of, is in a clean and habitable condition, and that we're responding to maintenance requests that they submit. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean we respond to every wish list that they want as opposed to a needs list, but we want to make sure that certain services are being provided in a timely manner, and we're able to do that with our maintenance coordination team. Anytime you have an investment property, there's always inherent risk associated with that, as with anything, stock markets, bonds. So when it comes to renting, we try to mitigate that as much as possible by screening the tenants very thoroughly on the front end, and then also offering eviction services on the back end if there are some issues that arise, such as non-payment of rent. If you have a tenant that's moved out or has left your property, we're able to turn units fairly quickly. We have a team of people that can go out, do a move-out inspection, get the necessary repairs and cleaning done, and then get you back on the market as soon as possible. This is going to allow you to fill your unit quickly and start marketing your property so that you minimize the amount of rent lost. So all of our communication is done through our portal, Buildium. We want to make sure that any maintenance requests or issues are sent through there, and that allows us as a team to promptly respond to any issues that arise. And then the same for owners. We want to make sure that owners have a platform where they're able to submit any documentation, HOA documents per se, insurance documents. This allows for a seamless communication, and it also allows for all of the communication to be done in the same location. When it comes to rental properties, there's always a concern for costly repairs. We have plenty of trusted vendors that we work with on all of our properties, and we make sure that coordinating with them allows you to have a discount with us because of the amount of properties that we oversee. So there's always going to be a very competitive quote when it comes to getting your property taken care of. Yeah, so working with Tide Property Management is a huge benefit for multiple reasons. One, our management fees are extremely competitive. We offer all sorts of services to include inspections, marketing your property on all online platforms, ensuring that we have the best tenants in place. And we also offer pet protection guarantees and plenty of other guarantees that ensure that your property and your asset is being handled well. If you have any other questions about the multitude of services that we offer, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We look forward to hearing from you.